Are you a sticker lover or even a person that loves to collect them? Would you like to know how they're made? Well, today we're going to give you a crash course on how to start your own sticker business. Whether it be bumper stickers, vinyl stickers, face stickers, floor stickers, or the all-popular transfer sticker, we're here to lay down the blueprint for starting your very own sticker business. It's sure to be fun and informative. Sit back and let us guide you to riches with your sticker-making business. Stickers are not only a form of expression, but also a versatile product that can cater to various niches and interests. Whether you're aiming to create custom stickers for planners, laptops, or even cars, the possibilities are endless. Market research and planning. Identify target audience. Understanding the demographics, interests, and preferences of your target audience is essential. Conduct surveys, analyze trends, and gather feedback to tailor your sticker designs to meet their needs. Analyze competitors. Researching existing sticker businesses can provide valuable insights into market trends, pricing strategies, and unique selling points. Identify gaps in the market that your business can fill to stand out from competitors. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategies. Define your brand identity, pricing structure, and sales projections to guide your business growth. Budget allocation. Determine the initial investment required for equipment, materials, marketing, and operational expenses. Allocate funds strategically to ensure a sustainable and profitable business model. Marketing strategies. Explore different marketing channels such as social media, influencer collaborations, and email campaigns to reach your target audience. Develop a strong brand presence and unique selling proposition to attract and retain customers. Distribution channels. Consider various distribution channels, including online stores, local markets, and partnerships with retailers. Evaluate the most cost-effective and efficient ways to reach customers and maximize sales. By conducting thorough market research and strategic planning, you can position your sticker-making business for success in a competitive market. Stay adaptable, responsive to customer feedback, and proactive in identifying growth opportunities to thrive in the sticker industry. Online presence and branding. Establishing a strong online presence and building a compelling brand identity are essential components of a successful sticker-making business. Here are key strategies to consider. Website development. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your sticker designs, brand story, and product offerings. Optimize the site for search engines to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Social media engagement. Utilize popular social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your stickers, engage with followers, and drive traffic to your website. Consistent posting, engaging content, and interactive campaigns can help build a loyal customer base. Brand identity. Develop a unique brand identity that reflects your business values, mission, and aesthetic. Design a memorable logo. Choose a cohesive color palette. And maintain consistent branding across all online platforms to enhance brand recognition. Content creation. Create engaging and visually appealing content, including product photos, videos, and blog posts, to showcase your stickers and connect with your audience. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, design processes, and customer testimonials to build trust and credibility. By focusing on building a strong online presence and cohesive brand identity, you can effectively market your sticker business, attract customers, and differentiate yourself in the competitive market. Stay consistent, authentic, and responsive to customer feedback to foster brand loyalty and long-term success. Sales and distribution. Effective sales and distribution strategies are essential for reaching a wider audience and maximizing the success of your sticker-making business. Here are key considerations to enhance your sales and distribution. Establish an online store on your website or popular e-commerce platforms, like Etsy or Shopify, to showcase and sell your stickers. Ensure a user-friendly interface. Secure payment options and clear product descriptions to facilitate seamless transactions. Partner with retailers. Explore partnerships with local stores, gift shops, or online marketplaces to expand your reach and access new customer segments. Collaborating with retailers can help increase brand visibility and drive sales through diverse distribution channels. Shipping and packaging. Implement efficient shipping and packaging strategies to ensure timely delivery and enhance customer satisfaction. Offer multiple shipping options, track orders, and use eco-friendly packaging materials to create a positive unboxing experience for customers. Provide exceptional customer service by promptly addressing inquiries, resolving issues, and soliciting feedback. Build strong relationships with customers through personalized interactions. loyalty programs, and responsive communication to foster brand loyalty and repeat purchases. By optimizing your sales and distribution channels, you can effectively reach your target audience, drive sales, and establish a strong presence in the competitive sticker market. Stay adaptable, responsive to market trends, and proactive in exploring new opportunities for growth and expansion. Effective marketing and promotion strategies are essential for increasing brand awareness, attracting customers, and driving sales for your sticker-making business. Here are key tactics to elevate your marketing efforts. Social media advertising. Utilize targeted social media ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your online store. Experiment with different ad formats, audience targeting options, and ad creatives to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Collaborate with influencers, bloggers, or content creators in your niche to promote your stickers to their followers. Partnering with influencers can help expand your reach, build credibility, and generate buzz around your brand. Build an email list of interested customers and send regular newsletters, promotions, and product updates to engage with your audience and drive repeat purchases. Personalize your emails, segment your audience, and track performance metrics to refine your email marketing strategy over time. By implementing a comprehensive marketing and promotion plan, you can effectively showcase your sticker designs, engage with your target audience, and drive sales for your business. Stay creative, consistent, and data-driven in your marketing efforts to maximize results and grow your brand presence in the competitive market. Customer feedback is a valuable source of insights that can help you improve your sticker business and better meet the needs of your target audience. Here are key strategies for collecting and leveraging customer feedback. Encourage customers to provide feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media polls. Actively listen to their suggestions, complaints, and preferences to gain a deeper understanding of their needs and expectations. Analyze customer feedback data to identify trends, common pain points, and areas for improvement in your products and services. Use this information to make informed decisions and prioritize changes that will enhance the customer experience. Implement changes based on customer feedback to address issues. Introduce new features or refine your product offerings. Continuously adapt and evolve your business based on customer insights to stay relevant, competitive, and customer-centric. By actively seeking and incorporating customer feedback into your business strategy, you can build stronger relationships with your audience, drive customer loyalty, and position your sticker-making business for long-term success in the market. Stay responsive, open to feedback, and committed to continuous improvement to meet and exceed customer expectations. Mastering the art of sales and distribution, marketing and promotion, and customer feedback and adaptation is crucial for the success of your sticker-making business. By implementing effective strategies in these areas, you can elevate your brand presence, attract a wider audience, and drive sales growth. Creating a seamless online store, partnering with retailers, and optimizing shipping and packaging processes will enhance your sales and distribution channels, making it easier for customers to access and purchase your stickers. Leveraging social media advertising. Influencer partnerships and email marketing will help you reach and engage with your target audience, driving brand awareness and customer acquisition. Furthermore, actively collecting and analyzing customer feedback and adapting your products and services based on their insights will enable you to build stronger relationships with your audience, foster loyalty, and stay ahead of market trends. By prioritizing these key areas and continuously refining your strategies based on data and customer feedback, you can position your sticker-making business for sustained growth and success. Stay agile, customer-focused, and innovative in your approach to stand out in the competitive market and achieve your business goals. Don't miss out on our latest sticker designs and tips. Like and subscribe for more creative content.